To talk to the Wyndham Tech School students about public health. I'm the House Chairman of Public Health, and we oversee the Department of Public Health, the Department of Developmental Services, and also the Department of Mental Health and Addiction Services. These agencies in the state oversee just about every aspect of your life, whether it's clean water, whether it's what happens to you when you go to a hospital or a restaurant or the hairdresser. These are the things that we do. We oversee. We create legislation that can help students with their career path. For example, last year we created the barbershop apprentice program so that students would be able to work with somebody who already has a license to cut hair and learn from that process and then get their license. So we're working all the time to find better ways for students to be able to come from the tech school and become employed in all different areas of the health fields.
Hi, my name is Debbie Lavendi. I'm the department head for the Health Technology Program at Wyndham Technical High School, and yesterday we held a healthcare career fair. It was sponsored by Connecticut Community Care out of Norwich, Connecticut. They have adopted our program with the goal of increasing the number of direct care providers in the community of Wyndham. They also offer our students a scholarship for those who are interested in going on in a career, either education or a career in healthcare. So yesterday we had a healthcare career fair, and there were 15 agencies here to speak to what kind of services they provide their clients. There were also some types of educational facilities, and there was even a vendor that showed us a new type of medication administration program for people who are living in the community. There were 90 students who went through the fair, and I know one student actually went for an interview yesterday afternoon immediately after the fair and was hired on the spot. So this was really a great opportunity for students to see that nurse aides don't just work in the nursing home, they also work in the community. It was also a chance for our students and the providers to speak to some government representatives who attended the fair. There was Matt Reuter, who is a staff member for Joe Courtney. He came and we addressed some of the concerns that healthcare has in the community, also in long-term care facilities, such as the Hoyer lift, which is a lift that will elevate patients out of bed and manipulate them into a chair or onto a commode. Students have to be 18 years old to operate that, and so it makes a real difficult problem for employees in the facility and the students themselves, and also the patients, because they have to wait for someone who is 18 to help out with that procedure. So we communicated that to Matt Reuter and also to Kathy Johnson, who is a state representative as well, and hopefully the communication we had yesterday will be brought back to the legislature and some changes will be made. So overall, it was a very successful day. The providers were very, very happy with the students, and the students were happy with having an experience to see what additional opportunities are out in the community.
My name is Kara Thibodeau. I'm a senior in health tech at Wyndham Tech. We had a career fair yesterday for health technologies, and I think it was a big success. They came with applications. They came with a lot of information. We had 14 vendors, probably 12 different jobs. I actually went for an interview and filled out an applications at Tri-County ARC. We work with home care, group homes with mentally disabled people, and they called me back that same day and asked me to come in for an interview. About 2 hours later, I went for the interview and I got the job, and I'll be starting next week.
Hi, my name's Amanda Coette. I'm a senior in health technologies at Wyndham Tech, and we had a career fair yesterday, and there were a few careers that I was interested in. Some of them were Tri-County and Apple Rehab and St. Joseph's Living Center, and I gave Apple Rehab my resume, and I wasn't sure if it was really good enough, and then they ended up calling me back that afternoon, asking me to come in on Thursday to fill out an application and look at their facility, and I was really happy about that, and I'm glad that I finally get that good opportunity to be in the health community.